We are having a Greer High School Showcase Breakfast, and it's sponsored by our SIC. We have invited our feeder schools, their PTSAs, SICs, leadership staff. We've invited business partners, community leaders to showcase the programs and the things we have to offer here at Greer High School so that we can spread the word about what we're all about. We have a lot of our students that are performing, that are available at displays to talk with our guests and really talk about their programs and what they do every day.
That exposure is important in two ways. One, so that the community sees the kinds of things that are going on in the school. And second is to be able to make certain that students coming into the high school have the opportunity to know all those things that they could choose to become a part of.
We hope that we have some questions that pique some interest, and maybe our guests will learn some things and learn about opportunities at Greer High School that they didn't previously know about, and that they're really excited about their current students or their elementary and middle school students that will be coming to Greer High School soon in years to come.